Ayurveda and yoga have incredible benefits, but some lesser-known remedies can truly transform your health. One simple change? Ayurvedic tea. Ditch the black tea, sugar, and milk. Instead, take 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves, and half a tablespoon of licorice powder. Add them to 2 cups of water and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. No milk, no sugar, just pure goodness. This tea is a natural remedy for throat health and helps those prone to cough. Drink it for 7 days, and for the best results, avoid milk and dairy during this time. Try it and experience the difference.